guys, welcome to Prana's Creation to Origami. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami swan. The origami swan is based on my another origami model which is called the origami flapping bird. To watch that, click here. But without further ado, let's see how to make this origami swan. And also, before we get into the model, I want to tell one more thing, which is that this origami model can attack by holding these two edges and then pulling them out. So now let's get into the origami model, and this is a very short model, so it is very easy to make. So without further ado, let's get into it. To make this origami model, you only need a square sheet of paper. If you have a rectangle origami paper, then you can watch my origami flapping bird tutorial, and that will teach you how to make the origami square. So after you have made the origami square, let's fold this in half in both directions diagonally. So first let's fold in half this way, and then unfold and fold in half this way. Now you will have an X. So what you want to do is make this X a plus, and to make that you can just fold it into a diagonal, not fold it, just turn it 80 degrees. Now you want to take this edge and this edge and fold it into the middle, something like the origami flapping bird model, something like that, in the part where you got to, after you have done that before you do the bird fold. Now after you have folded this, you will see two edge layers or edges, two triangles, one like this and the other one like that. So now you want to fold this up and it will look something like a square, and it should touch this edge. So fold this up and make this middle part touch this edge. So let's turn it up and let it touch, and now crease, unfold and do the same. So fold it up and make it touch. Unfold and now fold the top corner to here. So let's fold this and crease when I reach this triangle piece. So now let's do it, and there, you have done it. You have folded on the top of the triangle, unfold and do the same. So go down and there. Now unfold. Now turn it over and crease on that same edge. So we can see this edge. So do it again. Now unfold and we can see this edge. So do it again. Now unfold, and now let's take this fold and this fold together. That will make something that is trying to pop out now. So make it pop out like this. Now fold this in half. Like this. This will give you something like this. So now unfold and let's turn over And you can see this triangle, right? Fold that triangle in like this. Now turn over and come back to this step. And now at this part you will see you will have a triangle sticking out like a pocket here. What you want to do with this triangle is you want to take this out, just pull it out, and this will form it to become the body of the bird. Now crease it, and there you have the origami crane or swan. So now this can do two things. To make it attack, you can just pull both of these. Just go inside this, hold this and this, and just pull it like this. Like you can see, you hold these two and pull it apart. So it's like, so when you do that, the swan starts to attack. And to make this swan stand, let's fold this. I mean, not fold, just you will see this back of the swan. Just turn it around and you will see this. You will see and fold which is going inside. You want to separate that like this. It should not be this. It should be like this. And now turn it over and lay it down on a sheet, and it will now stand. Now stand. So that's it. That's it. You have made your origami swan. So for now, bye. But wait, don't leave yet. Click here to subscribe to me, or click on any of these videos to watch another video of mine. So for now, bye. Oh no, it's coming to attack. It's angry.